Hello everyone. I hope you all are safe and sound. Welcome to the part 1 of the tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple app using Kodular. Kodular is a free open source platform to make new great apps. In this platform, we can design the apps as well as program apps easily. You can use different platforms like MIT App Inventor, Thunkable, etc. Let me show you how to make a simple app using Hello Kitty. In this app, there will be a button. When the user clicks on the button, it will make a cat noise. To make this app, first go to creator.corellar.com. The link is in the description. Now, click on the Create Project button to create the project. Now type in Hello Kitty. Make sure there are no space between them. Click on Next and click on Finish. Your project will be created. Once your project is created, you will come to an interface something like this. You're going to add a cat photo and a cat sound. You can get it from Google. Click on the Asset button to upload the asset. Now click on the Upload Asset button. Now choose your asset. I'm going to add the cat sound and the kitty image. So as you can see in your screen, the cat sound and the cat image has been added. Once you have added the cat image and the cat sound, you have to drag the button and drop it to the screen. Scroll down a bit and you get a section named Image. Click on the section and choose your cat image. You can go for the height and width as your desired. I'm going for the width, fill parent and height as 500. Now scroll a bit more, you get a section named text. Remove the text from there. After adding the button, you need the cat sound. For that, you go to the media section, drag the sound component and drop it to the screen. Choose the source as your cat sound. By this, we are done the designing work. In the previous part of the video, I showed you how to design the app. In this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to program the sound and the button component. For that, first click on the blocks button, scroll down a bit, click on the button 1 and you get an argument when button 1 click. Do drag and drop to the screen and now click on the sound 1 button and you get an argument called sound1 play. By this much of this code, when the user clicks on the button, it makes the cat sound. To make the app more interesting, we can vibrate the mobile. For that, click on the sound 1 and you get an argument called sound1 vibrate milliseconds. Drag and drop to the screen. Now click on the match button and drag and drop the 0 to the milliseconds. I'm going to put 10 milliseconds. With this much of the code, when a user clicks on the button, it will play the sound and it will vibrate the mobile. In the previous part of the video, I showed you how to design the app and program the app. Now, it is the time of testing the app. There are two modes of testing the app. One is the test mode and the export mode. In the test mode, You need to download the Kodular companion in your mobile in the Play Store. The link is in the description. Then click on Connect to Companion, and in the Kodular companion you need to scan the QR code. Whereas in the export mode, you'll be having two options. One is the Android app.apk and Android app bundle. You need to click on the Android app APK. It will provide a QR code and a link. You need to scan the QR code and download the app. But in the export mode, the link for downloading the app will be only valid for 2 hours. As you can see in your screen, I have downloaded the app. I'm going to show you how it works. So whenever I click on the cat photo, it is going to make the cat sound and vibrate the mobile. I'm going to click on the cat photo. So as you saw, the cat made the sound and the mobile got vibrated.